With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Everyone, today we are going to discuss one more question. The question says that if S2 and S1, S2, S3 denotes the sum of first n terms respectively of an AP, then S1 divided by N1 into N2 minus N3 plus S2 is equals to here. So first of all, here given that a term N1, N2 and S3 sum is equals to S1, S2 and S3 respectively. So let first term of an AP is equals to, let us take first term of AP is equals to A here, and common difference here. So first n term sum can be written as here S1 is equals to N1 divided by 2 into 2A plus N1 minus D minus 1 into D. This sum can be written, S2 can be written as here S2 is equals to here N2. This one is S2 here. Similarly, S3 can be written as here S3 is equals to N3 divided by 2, N3 divided by 2 into 2A plus N3 minus 1 into D here. So these are S1, S2, S3 here. Now, so as in the question given that S1 divided by N1 into N2 minus N3 plus S2 divided by N2 into N1 minus N2 minus here N1 minus N3 plus S3 divided by N3, here is N3 divided N3 minus N1 and N1 minus N2 here. So this one is equals to minus of N1 plus N3 plus S3 divided by N2, N3, and this can be written as here N1 minus N2 in the given question. Now substituting value of S1, S2, S3, we can write it as here this one is equals to here N1 divided by 2 into 2A plus N1 minus 1 into D multiply by N2 minus N3 and divided by N1 here plus second term can be written as here 2A plus N2 divided by 2 into 2A plus N2 minus 1 multiply by D into N1 N3 minus N1 divided by N2 here plus last term can be written as here N3 divided by 2 plus 2A into 2A plus N3 minus 1 multiply by D into N1 minus N2 divided by N3 here. As we can see here, N1 is cancelled out with N1, N2 is cancelled out with N2 and N3 is cancelled out with N3. Let us take 1 by 2 as a common. So 1 by 2 as a common, so remaining terms can be written as here. This one is equals to here 2A. This one is here 2A into, let us take 2A as a common, so 2A as a common, so remaining terms are here N2 minus N3. Here we get N3 minus N1 plus N3 minus N1 here, and here we get 2A into N1 minus N2, so plus N1 minus N2 here, plus let us take now D as a common. So D as a common, so remaining terms are N1 minus 1 into N2 minus N3 here. Similarly, here we take N2 minus 1 into N1 minus N3 here. N2 minus 1 plus N2 minus 1 into N3 minus N1 here. Similarly, here we can write it as here plus N3 minus 1 into N1 minus N2 here. So, by simplifying this, we can write it as here plus N2 is cancelled out with minus N2, plus N1 is cancelled out with minus N1, and plus N3 is cancelled out with minus N3. So here any term multiplied by 0 equals to 0 here. So this can be written as here D by 2 here. And this can be written as here N1 into N2. N1 into N2 minus of N1 into N3 minus of N2 plus of N3 here. Similarly, next term can be written as N2 N3 minus of N1 N2 minus N3 plus N1 here, and this one is plus N1 N3 minus N2 N3 minus N1 plus N3 here. As we can see here, N1 N2, this one is plus minus N1 N2, and this one is here, this one is minus N1 N2, and this one is plus N1 N2 cancel out with each other, and plus N1 N3 cancel out with minus N1 N3, and this one is plus N2 N3 and minus N2 N3 cancel out with each other, and this one is minus N2 here, Similarly, as we can see here, another n2 is, this one is minus n1 plus n2 here. This one is plus n2 here. This one is plus n2 and this one is minus n2. Cancel out with each other. Similarly, this one is plus n3 and this one is minus n3. Cancel out with each other, and plus n1 minus n1 cancel out with each other. So remaining term is equals to 0 here. So here we get our final answer is equals to 0. So by comparing from option here, we get our option A, which is 0, is correct answer. I hope you understand the explanation. Thanks for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.